Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Google Chrome browser tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save any website as a PDF using just Chrome alone. So you won't have to use any third-party websites or download any apps or extensions. We'll be using just the Chrome browser. So one cool thing about that is you can follow these same steps on a Chromebook, Windows 10 computer, MacBook, Linux, anything that runs the desktop version of the Chrome browser. All right, so to get started, all you need to do is navigate to the website that you want to save or convert to a PDF. And then from there, go up into the top right and select the three dots to open up the menu for Chrome. In the menu, go down and select Print, and this will open up the print preview for your Chrome browser. All we need to do now is go over to Destinations and ensure that what's selected there is Save as PDF. So go ahead and find that in the drop-down list and then select it. And then you can go through the other available options for selecting individual pages to convert, or you can do all of them. And you can also change the layout from portrait to landscape. After that, all we need to do is go to the bottom right of the print preview screen, select Save, find the area on our computer where we want to save it, and then select Save. Then when I navigate to the folder where I just saved the PDF, I can open it up, and it'll open just like any normal PDF would. All right, so that's how you convert any website to a PDF using Google Chrome. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Google Chrome tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.